it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make a charm bracelet using the newest Softlex Company design kit, Book Lovers? I am using beads from the bead mix, as well as some kit exclusive beads in these little gem cut rondelles. Using these purple beads, and they are available on softlexcompany.com, and I will leave a link down below in the description for the items I am using that are available on the website. And I was doing a little spring cleaning or summer cleaning of my bead collection. And I found this little pearl charm bracelet. And I thought it'd be really fun to just kind of embellish and add on to this bracelet. I was kind of, you could say, inspired by Pearls, that wonderful event that Softlex Company had with all those wonderful guest designers. So inspiring. And they've done that before with the Sundance collection. And it's really nice. It's kind of like the Great Bead Extravaganza, which is coming up as well, where it's just a mix of all these fabulous designers and very talented. And it's just a weekend full of inspiration. And they do have their Great Bead Extravaganza kit out now. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Let's start creating. And I will also have a playlist on my channel of all the tutorials I will be making or have made with this kit for book lovers. So on my eye pen, I am just going to add on the gray beads, and these were from the Jesse James bead mix. So look how they sparkle. So for this bracelet, we're just going to be making loops. So you can either use your one-step looper or make a wrapped loop or a simple loop with your round nose pliers. Now for our head pins, I'm going to use these little swirl beads. They're so pretty, and each one is unique. So we're going to slide those on our head pin, our little flower, and then one of our little lilac gem cut beads. I think this is going to be a really popular kit, just like the last one. So we'll just add on the rest of our beads. So we have all of our little dangles completed. Just going to use our one-step looper. And slide it through. And we don't want it right on top of that bead. It can cause it to chip. It's just a little bit of room. And give it a squeeze. And we have our beautiful little dangle. We'll do that for all of them, including our eye pins. Just slide it in. Give it a squeeze. So we have all of our little dangles completed, and we just want to make sure that our loops are completely closed. So we'll just take our round nose plier, make sure they are nice and secure. We don't want to lose any beads on our project. So we have all our little connections and loops made. And with this chain, I notice it's kind of like just jump rings connected together. So we can just take our pliers and gently twist, and it's going to open up our link. So I'm going to remove one of the links. And then I'm going to open up the one next to it and attach one of the little gray beads and give it a close. Have the start of our bracelet. And I'm going to skip 2, and that's where I'm going to add my little dangles on. So the third one, I'm just going to open. Sometimes it can be a little tricky to find where the jump ring or the link of the chain is to open. And then we're just going to close. Hear that click. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're just going to do this until we added on all of our gray beads. And I guess you can say by opening and closing them, you're kind of work hardening the wire as well. So we have all the little gray beads added onto our bracelet. And now on our little dangles, I'm just going to add them one to each link. So I'm just going to open up the same little link that we just opened to attach our gray ones and then attach one little dangle to each one. And you could attach them with the jump ring if you wanted to. Open up the next one, give it a close. You see how your little bracelet is coming along. Do it to the next one. Slide, twist open, and close. A twist open, slide on our little dangle, and give it a close. We have our bracelet. We'll just add on the last two. Soft Flex Design Kit, book lovers. You can always add more charms to it or dangles, completely up to you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And don't forget to look at the description where I will have a link of all the playlist tutorials using this design kit, as well as past design kits and unboxings. Have an awesome day.